Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I get stains out of clothing. So right here I have some overalls that have some stains on them. I'm not sure what it is, dirt, oil, I'm not really sure. But I take my blue dish soap and I just kind of add it all over on these spots. I don't usually even rub it in, I just kind of put it over these spots like that. And I've got quite a bit of places I can do it here on these pants. So I put it all over. And now I'm just going to put these in the wash just like normal. I'm probably going to do hot water and just a regular setting. And then I will show them when I'm done. I forgot to mention that I did put a regular detergent pod in there as well. And here is what those stains look like now after being washed and dried. I don't really see any of those spots on here. There was like a lot of dirt, a lot of oil stuck on here, and it is gone. Thanks for watching.